Hey, how's it going? So I wanted to make a video on how to fix your stream either lagging, missing frames or skipping frames. So I was just streaming right now and I figured, hey, let me see what I can do to fix this. And as always, if you've seen my other videos, you know that I will run into issues like no other. And I just generally can't enjoy playing, which is weird. I know how to fix a lot of things yet. I still have many issues. So as you can see here, I have Resident Evil 4 in the background. Um, and I was kind of messing with it, checking my stream to make sure that it was working. Let me go ahead and close this window. Right here in the back is my stream. What you see here is the stats for my stream. It tells you basically what's going on. You can usually find this by going to view, clicking on stats, and then you'll get this little bar here that kind of tells you what's up. Each one of these tells you a little bit of different things, whether it's your settings, your internet, or maybe both. These are basically the two you want to look at. Right now they're white because I did manage to fix the issue, at least for now. So this may be temporary, but hopefully it does help you out. So what I did was I went into my settings right here. I'm really hoping you can see this because I do have two of my monitors standing up. So they're like, vertical. And then my main monitor is horizontal with the 4-inch or whatnot. Um, so if you go to settings for OBS, we're going to get this window here, moving around. Sorry, the screen refreshed for some reason. So what you want to do is you want to go to advanced down here. Once you are in advanced, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to look up here under general, look at the process priority. I think usually it's under normal. You want to set it under high. That way, it takes a little bit more resources, right, to get it up and running, make sure that it runs well. So leave that at high. And then you're gonna go ahead and go down to the network. You're usually going to have a default video here. Mine's IPv4 and IPv6 as default. That's usually what I have it as. One thing that you can do here that may be specific to you is it says bind to IP. You can select the specific IP that you're running or Ethernet cable to see if that helps you out. But I have mine as default as that worked for me. You also have three checkboxes right here. I checked the first two, which is dynamically change bitrate to manage congestion beta and enable network optimizations. So that's what I did there. Under sources, I did have enabled browser sources hardware acceleration on, but I went and disabled that. And then all I did was click apply, and that was it. What you can also do is go into your stream. You're going to choose what's closest to you because you might have it as default or automatic. I put this one, which is closest to me, and that was it. That way, I guess it doesn't jump around for signals and just immediately gets whatever you think is closest to you. I know for a fact this is what's closest to me, so that's why I put this. So go ahead and do that as well. As far as output, I use the advanced setting, so it does show me the encoder settings. As you may see here, I apologize. I know that it might seem really small. Let me see if I can make it any bigger for you. Yeah, I don't think I can, at least for now. So I'll read it out to you. I have my rate control under CBR. The bit rate is 6,000. I think I've heard that you usually want to keep it 6 to 8,000. I have mine at 6,000, but you can always mess around with it and lower it to maybe 5,000, 4,000, see if that helps you out. My keyframe interval is 2S. The preset is kind of the quality of the video and the stream. The slower you go, the better the quality. So if you can see here, the lower you go down here, the better the quality, the higher you go up here, the lower the quality. So a lot of times you may be required to go up and lower that quality to fastest, right? Which is up here. Typically you want to keep it kind of in the middle. I have 5 for slow and good quality. That's kind of what's working for me right now. If you can do better, then sure, why not? Better quality. But if it's not working, try to lower it. See if that helps you out. Multi-pass mode, I have it as 2 passes. Full resolution. Profile, I have it as high. Look ahead is unchecked. Cycle visual is checked. GPU is 0 and max speed frames is 2. So go ahead and mess with these settings. Obviously, you might have to try one thing, then try another thing, maybe tweak something that you didn't think you have to change. The whole purpose of this is that you kind of tweak it as many times as you have to, unfortunately, to fix your stream. But yeah, just go ahead and follow my instructions. Hopefully that helps. And if it doesn't help you out, just feel free to leave a comment. I know that my chat is pretty good at asking me questions. I'm pretty good at responding to them. But not only that, they're also good at helping others, which I appreciate. And if this video did help you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. And then, yeah, I'll see you on the next video.